Welcome! In this video, we'll explore what artificial intelligence is, how it works, where it's used, and why it's reshaping our world. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines or software that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, like recognizing speech, making decisions, or learning from data. The concept of AI dates back to the 1950s. Early pioneers like Alan Turing asked, "Can machines think?" Over the decades, AI evolved from rules-based systems to today's deep learning models. AI can be classified into narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI focuses on specific tasks, like Siri, or Google Translate. Artificial intelligence systems learn by processing large amounts of data and identifying patterns. Techniques like machine learning and deep learning allow AI to make predictions or decisions. AI powers many tools we use daily: recommendations on Netflix, facial recognition, self-driving cars, and smart assistants. It's also transforming fields like healthcare, finance, and education. As AI grows, so do concerns about privacy, job loss, and bias. It's crucial that AI is used responsibly and ethically, with fairness and transparency at its core. The future of AI is exciting and unpredictable. From creative AI to intelligent robots, its potential is massive, but the key will always be how we choose to use it. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tutorials.